Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training. Um, you can contact us through the number that is provided on the channel, and also on this video you can see the number that you can WhatsApp us on. So we're looking into real exam questions. So let's click on this, and then the one that we're going to cover now is the Formosa Street to Pelham Street. So let's click on this. So again, looking at these 2 points, so we are traveling from the green to the red point. So from here you can plan that we need to go down somehow, right? So in this way, you're not going to struggle that which route we need to take. Can't, I mean, there is no point going up from here, so we need to follow some road that we're going to come down towards the slightly right side of this red point here, right? So let's zoom in. And once you zoomed in, then you just click on this point, and then there is a mini roundabout, so you just come around this. Right, so you go straight from here, and then you come down towards this. Just zoom in a bit more. So you just come down from here, carry on going straight from here, and then we come out from here, and then we can go towards this side, and then just carry on going straight from here, and then from here, remember our point is, let's see our point is down here, so we can come down from this side. So let's zoom in a bit more, and then from here you come down, and then here we can go straight because this is on top of us, this road here, right? So we can just come down straight here. So keep going down, and then you come down here straight, so we turn left from here. So it's staying on this, come down more from here, then more. Let's see our point once again. Let's zoom out. So where is this point? So the point is here, so we can come down this way then, right? So you can come down here, carry on going straight, and then you just keep going straight from here, and then you come straight, and remember our point is just towards the right side, so we can go straight here, come down here, follow this arrow. So because we can't go here because this arrow is coming towards us, so we can go here, and then we can come down from here, keep going down, let's follow the same road, and then you just come down here. Let's see our point again, where we are. This point is here, so we can go this way. Right, so let's go here, so we can just follow this, and from here we can just come out this way, right, because the point is down here, so we can come out this way. So you go down here, let's keep going down from this, and we can come to the main road, and then you turn this way, and again we need to, let's see, here is here, so we can go down here. If we go straight, then we can't come down here because of this arrow here. We can't come down here, right? There's no way we can do this. So this is why what we need is that we can come down here, and then we can get to the point. So there are two ways. If we can come down here this way, or if we see here, let's see if we can come to this point and come down here, because this is another thing to make it a bit shorter. And then from here you go straight, and then you go straight here, straight here, come down here, and then you can get to this point. See, so this is what we have here. So if you look at this one, just zoom out a bit. It's a bit long route, but you can see that this is the most direct and quite quicker than any other route that you try to take, even if you're trying to come out from here somehow and try to get down. But this is the route that you get, which is going to be much quicker than any other route. So yeah, so always plan it in a way that we need to go down or up, and then you just kind of see what kind of route you can take. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.